Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's recap is for April 26, 2021. It's the red day for me, down $315, but that's all right. Last week was about $500 each day, so it's not too bad. Hopefully tomorrow brings me up for green this week. So first trade I'll be going over is NIO. This one looked good to the put side. I was checking out the 1 minute, saw this flag right here, and wanted to take a put below, I believe it was 41.70. Yep. Entered in at below 41.70 and wrote it down all the way till 6:46 a.m. Pacific time. Reason why I got out here was I saw it overextended. I didn't want to be caught in a pullback because I never know how far a pullback can go. I either lose some profits or break even on that one. I was actually hoping for it to go to this level here, previous day high, and you can see that it really acted as a good form of support right there, but definitely got out a little early than I thought. But profit is profit, so I took a quick $90 on NIO puts. Next trade I have going on is BABA puts. This one is a loser, lost about $60 on this one. I thought it would follow the same trend as NEO, especially when it had this high of day run right here, and it just failed to move up higher. Had a spike, small spike, down, small spike again, and then failed this trend. Right when I entered, came and popped back up, and I decided to take a $60 loss. Luckily I did, because it did not come back down on that one after that. I was actually hoping for a double bottom, so that way I can actually add on to my position or just take partial profit, but that did not happen. It almost touched that point. I was up just a little bit, but I did not take it. I haven't been scalping as much as I wanted to lately because I've been trying to practice holding on to my trades just a little bit longer. That did decrease my win ratio just because scalping is just quickly in and out, and that's what I prefer. But with day trading, I feel like I'm losing a lot of the profits that I could be making on the entries that I have, because sometimes my entries are pretty good so far, and then next thing you know, I get out for a quick profit. But green is green. I will learn to take it, and I'll work on my entries and exits. Last few trades is on Tesla to the long side. Was expecting a few pops above the moving averages. So with Tesla, I saw this resistance level right here, and I saw that it popped up and then came back down. I thought this would flag and then do a breakout, but eventually it just did a consolidation, and I had to cut losses around 6:25 a.m. ish. And then I also entered again at the break of this level and had a quick profit here. Didn't take it, even though it was a slow green candles going up. And then I had to cut losses again, I believe around 7:55 a.m. because it was just in a consolidation period. And you can see that throughout almost the entire day, Tesla, or actually I guess the entire day, Tesla did not move at all. So luckily I just got out for quick losses, and that was my 2 losing trades on Tesla. So let's go over to the live trades. First trade, checking out NEO to the put side, right below the double bottom break right there. I'm in 5 small contracts on the put side, using the trend line as a resistance level. Waiting for a quick pop down. Five-minute looks good. I'm expecting this to go lower, just now that it's hovering right below that previous bottom. I'm really looking for NEO to fall below this support level here, so I'll adjust my selling if it falls below this support. If I was scalping, I would have taken this quick profit, probably entered in on a larger size, 10-15 contracts. But since I'm practicing on holding longer, longer on my positions. I went in with just 5 contracts, looking for this to break that support level and watching the time and sales for sellers coming through. I'll look to scale out at 212. Comes up again, and then 212 is about to hit, and here is the exit coming down now, and there we go. Got my fill on the second level of support. Now watching Baba to the put side, looking for Baba to make the same move as Neo, entering 5 contracts at the break here. Got my mouse over the buy market, and I'm about to enter in right now. Not liking the look of the time and sales though. Didn't really speed up as much as I wanted to, so it is a little risky, but I'm still expecting Baba to make the same move as NIO. And then I'm wanting to have it break this support level there and do a double bottom, see if it breaks down. And eventually it does do a small double bottom, but I didn't take my profits. As a scalper, I would have taken that, but as I mentioned, I'm still practicing on holding these long term, just a little bit longer than my usual scalping strategy. And I put in a sell for 260. Eventually it does get to the 260 level, but I did not get a fill. Maybe next time I could put in lower than a whole number. So maybe instead of 260, I should have done like 259 just to secure that profit. On the break of the previous candle in green here, I'll get out. There we go. And I'm out on Baba puts, $60. And here's where I make a bad trade on Tesla, on the anticipation that it would break above this trend, or the resistance level, sorry. I buy on the dip, and hoping that it would make a flag and then shoot right up. So I'm not liking the look of this candle already, and I'm already kind of seeing where I should exit. Got my mouse on the sell market just to make sure that I get out before it takes a dump. Identify this trend or flag, and let's see if it breaks that flag. Really not liking how it came down below the 20 moving average either. And this is going against my strategy. I really hate playing breakouts, especially when Tesla is trading down this low. It's a really high risk play, but I've seen Tesla take dives like this and then break through resistance level and push back to the high of day. And there I am out of the trade. So I believe that was a $255 loss. And I'll look to re-enter at the break of that level again. Alright, and I am about to enter onto another contract this size, or this time just one contract just to play it safe. I'm in one contract. Looking for a push-up. Trying to practice being patient with my trades. I'm looking at the options chart and looking for it to go to a little above $21 per contract. Hoping the 50 moving average becomes support level. And maybe if Tesla didn't consolidate the entire day, I think it's because of earnings, then maybe we could have had this pop up. but I believe just because earnings was after hours and everyone was kind of unsure of it, it was just kind of going through a consolidation period, and I'm not liking this trade now. So I'm looking to exit. So below that candle, I'll start looking to exit. So I have this trend line drawn, and if it breaks below it, I'll just get out. Pops up. And I'll exit right there. So that's another loser. So in total, already on the day, that's negative $315, and called it quits. Luckily I did, because Tesla just consolidated throughout the entire day. Alright guys, that's the end of my trade recap for today, negative 315. Hopefully tomorrow brings us in the green. I'll be looking to trade Tesla or any other penny stocks that are moving pre-market. If you guys like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.